Hi, my name is Sandesh. I'm currently enrolled in GRC cohort by Inegben Academy. I first heard about this Inegben GRC program through LinkedIn, and it's almost been 4 months since I joined, and honestly the experience has been really amazing. So the program gives us the chance to truly understand what GRC is, governance, risk and compliance, and its meaning, and what actually this means to the business and why it matters to the business and across the different industries such as financial industries. And it also give us the opportunity to learn and how to implement the GRC, and that's aligned with the business goals and objectives. So it's hands-on, it's practical, and we don't just read about the GRC and its foundation, but we work on it through our practical implementation. So some of the topics that we cover so far are the foundation of GRC, what is GRC, what's important for organizations, for every size of organizations, and what is risk management, how to identify risks in the organization assets, how we can access the risks and how we can control those risks, and the practical implementation in a very regulated industries, and also the third-party assessment, as modern business are highly dependent on the vendors and the partners. And we also learn about the compliance and regulations and regulatory requirements for the organizations, and how to draft and how to write the policies and how to implement those policies inside the organizations. And yeah, there are still more to come because we are not done yet with this cohort. And yeah, so I'm confident that by the time we complete this cohort, the course takers will be able to implement the GRC in a real world scenario, like for example conducting the risks and third-party risk assessment and drafting and reviewing the policies and integrating GRC into the day-to-day operations of a business, aligned with the business goals and objectives. So the sessions and the materials are really good and hands-on and the first hand. And also the program also provides us the guidance on how we can build our portfolio and how we can job hunt strategically. And because learning is not enough, because yeah, we need to showcase our skills and knowledge, and we need to know how to position yourself or ourselves in front of the recruiters and the hiring managers. So this is one of the incredible part of this program as well, and I would absolutely recommend anyone who is into GRC and IT and cybersecurity to join this cohort. It's very good and very hands-on, very practical cohort. And yeah, since they are opening new cohort, and it's a great time to join and learn if you are following and if you are into GRC and IT and cybersecurity. And if I had one piece of advice for them to Inegben Academy, that would be adding the more simulation based exercise would take or would add more value to the course, because yeah, that will be like more simulated to the real world scenario, like for example simulation of the real world risk assessment. And yeah, at last, thank you so much Inegben Academy for this amazing opportunity and for your contribution to the learning community. And I'm really grateful to be a part of this cohort. And yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, cheers.